Hi, I'm Shikhar Kwatra, and I am an AI/ML specialist solutions architect at AWS. I'm excited to be teaching the AI prompt engineering course together with Elevator. This course is made for solution architects seeking to bridge the gap between business needs and AI with prompt engineering, for GenAI specialists who need to unlock complex data and understand AI decision-making, and even for data scientists or engineers who want to master data storytelling, identify correlations, and optimize AI applications at scale. In 12 lessons, you will master prompt engineering, explore neural networks and transformers, and gain hands-on experience with tools like Amazon Bedrock and SageMaker. You'll apply linguistic principles to AI, experiment with prompt engineering techniques, and explore the capabilities of large language and large vision models. Then for home assignments, you'll get a chance to apply everything we have covered in the class on your own. I'll also have weekly office hours if you have any questions left after the lesson. For the final project, you'll develop a GenAI-powered conversational system tailored to the finance or healthcare industry. After taking this course, you'll be equipped to craft effective AI prompts, learn about retrieval-augmented generation approach, leverage advanced model optimization techniques, and integrate generative AI into practical applications. Additionally, you'll understand how to evaluate model performance and ensure ethical AI development in generative AI. You'll walk away knowing how to design and implement AI solutions, fine-tune models for specific tasks, and utilize retrieval-augmented generation techniques for enhanced AI capabilities. It's a great time to take this course as AI technology is evolving rapidly and the demand for skilled AI professionals is higher than ever. I'm incredibly excited to be teaching this course. See you in class.